So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix a Redmi mobile that is not able to connect to PC or laptop and that is unable to transfer data. So if you are having one of the Redmi devices and if you are facing the same issue, let's look at how this can be resolved. Now first things first, you see like the cable that we use for transferring data or for connecting to the PC or laptop, it's important that the cable isn't damaged. If you are not able to connect to the PC for transferring of data using the cable, it's quite possible that the cable that you have is merely a charging cable. You see, the cables that you get, they can be categorized into two. One is charging cable and one is data cable. So you need to ensure that you have bought a cable that supports both charging and data. So these are basically dual purpose, data as well as charging. So you need to invest into one of those cables. Another thing that you need to do is ensure that the cable isn't damaged. So if you have been using your charger for a long time, it's quite possible that the cable may have got spliced or cut somewhere, or maybe there are certain bends which is preventing the cable from being in its original form. So you need to simply get the cable replaced. I mean, maybe invest into a new cable and that supports transfer as well as charging. So hopefully now, like once you have changed the cable and you have put it in the laptop or PC, it should work. Another thing that you can try doing is like just ensure that whichever port you are putting inside the laptop should support data transfer. So if it isn't, it's quite possible that the port is damaged or maybe the port doesn't support. So you just put it in different ports which you have USB ports in the laptop or in the PC and try seeing whether that works. It's often reported that some USB ports over a period of time may have gone bust and some of the ports don't support transfer at all. So like simply changing the port and putting in the cable in a different port often seems to work. Now one more thing that you can do with the mobile that I would say is first enabling the developer options. So if you have a Redmi device, the way you do that is by heading towards about phone and then tapping on MIUI version several times until you see the message that you are now a developer. Once done, like what you need to do is head back and under settings scroll down until you see additional settings. Here scroll absolutely below, absolutely to the bottom until you see developer options. Tap on developer options, scroll down until you see networking. So we'll go and see there is this networking. Here there's this default USB configuration. So it's quite possible that it's on no data transfer. So you need to select it to file transfer or USB tethering. Once you do that, you will see like it's working now. Once you have this selected to file transfer, now once you have connected this mobile to the laptop or PC, you will see that not only shows or identifies the mobile, but it also allows for file transfer. So these are the few things that I would advise you guys to do in case you are not able to connect your Redmi device to your PC or laptop and not able to transfer data. So just try doing this and let me know whether this works. If this helps, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. Do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. I have a small favor to ask. If you have a smartphone and if you are facing certain issues, kindly let us know so that we can invest in the smartphone that you have and also spend some time researching for solutions so that it can benefit you and the major community at large who are facing similar issues. That should be all from my side. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.